Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. Turmoil continues between Congress and G7. CM says nobody wants midterm polls. G7 says demands yet to be fulfilled. State burdened with 7,500 crores public debt. Will the Treasury sustain the burden of budget schemes? A big question. Cyber aid scheme not scrapped. CM says government will review the scheme and implement as per need. World celebrates Palm Sunday, commemoration of the Holy Week by Catholics. Sporting Club de Goa's misery continues in I-League. Flaming Orange lose 2-1 to Viva Kerala. And football referees should be given proper facilities, feels Goa Football Referees Association President Blair Rodrigues. And now the news in detail. Assembly session got over peacefully, but the tussle between Group 7 and Congress continues. CM Digambar Kamath says nobody wants midterm polls. On the other side, leader of G7, Jose Philip de Sousa, says that demands are not yet fulfilled and the group won't keep quiet.
The tussle between G7 and Congress is still fuming. Though it entered cold wave zone during assembly sessions, the scuffle still continues. High Command had held a meeting of Group 7, Congress and GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar in Mumbai. This was a temporary damage control in the backdrop of budget session. The next meeting is scheduled on 31st of March in Mumbai. But CM Digambar Kamath is confident that nobody wants to face midterm polls.
खरे सांगात, is this an election budget?
म्हाका अजूनय पर्सनली दिसना की कोणाक इलेक्शन्स बेगीन जाय अशें.
सगळे फक्त धमकी दिवपापुरतेच म्हणटा.
म्हजें बजेट हांवें कशें आसा, हांव सुरवातेक जेन्ना मुख्यमंत्री जाल्लो तेन्ना हांवें पयलो स्टेटमेंट केलो की म्हजें सरकार हें आम आदमी खातीर काम करता.
हाज्या उपरांत जर अश्यो प्रेशर टॅक्टिक्स जर चालू उरल्यो, what will be your stand? At how far you can go?
न्ही, म्हाका दिसता सगळे जाणांक सरकार बरें चलिल्लें जाय. पर्सनली प्रत्येकाची इच्छा आसता की आमकां निवडून दिल्यात लोकांनी, आमी प्रजे खातीर काम करपाक जाय आनी एक बरें सरकार दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करपाक जाय अशें प्रत्येकाक दिसपाक जाय आनी तें दिसता अशें हांव मानतां. आतां कितें जाता, खंय खंय इगो प्रॉब्लेम्स आसतात, पर्सनल लेवलाचेर जातात इगो प्रॉब्लेम. हांव सांगलो त्या भशेन कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी क्लॅश जातात, आनी कितें क्लॅश जातात आनी ताका लागून एक फावटी हे प्रश्न उपस्थित जातात.
If that was the say of the Chief Minister, spokesperson of G7 has reiterated its demands. Group leader Jose Philip de Sousa says the demands of the group are not fulfilled.
पण अजूनपासून इश्यू सॉल्व जावंक ना. जे इश्यू आसले ते आयज पासून तशेच आहा. इश्यू आसले तेजेर मे बी 31st ह्या म्हयन्याचे ते एक 30 आनी 1 तारखेर ते एका इश्यू डिस्कस करपाक परत बसतले. हें सांगूंक जायना, काँग्रेसान उलोवपाक जायना की आमचे इश्यू आयज सॉल्व जाले, सगळें दारा पडले. ना, आयज पासून इश्यू तेच भाशेन आहा. सो आमचे भितर डिविजन कांय ना. ग्रूप 7 जो G7 आमी म्हणटा ते आयज पासून आमी स्ट्रॉंग आसा. आयज पासून आमी strongly we are together.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has said lot more on the current political situation. Watch our weekly program Head on Monday night. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Flouting the norms and guidelines of the fiscal discipline, the public debt of the state has reached a mark of almost 7,500 crores. The facts and the figures in the financial statement before the Assembly itself has raised the questions. Will the State Treasury sustain the financial burden of the proposed schemes in the budget? Watch this report.
The central grant and aid and the share in the taxes received by the state from the center is always less than the estimate in the budget. The figures for past 2 to 3 years indicate that the grant and aid is around 50% less than for the share in taxes received. The shortfall is around 10 to 15%. This may lead to a shortfall in the expected revenue. If the difference is not compensated by the state tax or non-tax revenue, the figures can turn the revenue surplus budget into a deficit one at the year end. The government has opted to transfer the 6th pay arrears to the Government Provident Fund. This is to avoid the direct cash outflow from the state treasury. This should be considered as the debt on the state treasury, as it is to be paid back to the government employees with 8% interest rate. The money is locked in GPF for a period of 3 months. This will add up to the net debt on the state treasury. The fiscal deficit has also crossed the 3% mark in comparison with the GSDP. Taken into account the overall deficit and the fiscal deficit for the year 2009 to 2010, the deficit figure is touching the 1,500 crore mark. The state can't withstand the deficit beyond 600 crores. The net public debt on the state should not cross the mark of 25% of the state domestic product. That's what the Finance Ministry and the FRBM Act says. But Goa has crossed the mark and is almost 37% of the state GSDP. This is 12% above the repaying capability of the state. The per head loan is almost 52,000 rupees. The 7,500 crores of revised estimated debt includes 5,100 crores of public debt, fiscal deficit of 820 crores, overall surplus of 676 crores and the 1,000 crore in the Government Provident Fund. There are some man and machine-made mistakes in the financial statement. The demand for the heads under agriculture, ports administration and the science and technology doesn't tally in 3 volumes. The opening balance for the year 2009-10 has not been estimated properly. This has raised doubts about the seriousness of involved officials while drafting the finance bill. The budget is surplus for the namesake. The exchequer is burdened beyond repaying capacity. There isn't much of additional revenue mobilization. State is relying on the Centre for Grants and Share in Taxes. How will the Finance Minister execute the budget? A big question ahead. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The government may continue the popular Cyber Aid scheme after its review. The scheme isn't scrapped. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has made it clear that the government may continue the scheme as per the need of the students. Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar had criticized the government for discontinuing the popular scheme.
During a post-budget debate, Manohar Parrikar had stated that discontinuing the Cyber Aid scheme is not in the interest of the students.
How can a school computer lab, because computer lab scheme मजीच हांवेनूच इम्प्लिमेंट केल्ली आहा, सबस्टिट्यूट अ कंप्युटर एट होम, बिकॉज सगळ्यांत व्हडलो प्रॉब्लेम आमचो कितें आहा न्हू, आमी शाळांक इम्प्लिमेंटेशन करपाक शकना. एंड वॉट आय फावंड इज आफ्टर 2:30 नो स्कूल इज ओपन. लीव असाइड ऑफ हाऊ डू स्टुडंट्स गो एंड सिट इन द कंप्युटर लॅब? दे कांट. Today, the cutting of cyber age is virtually taking away the opportunity of poor, OBC, scheduled tribe and lower middle class from a opportunity which they had open before that. शाळेन कोण शिकयना सारके, पण कमीत कमी आमचे भुरगे कॉम्प्युटर लिटरेट जाल्ले आनी तांकां कॉम्प्युटराचे थोडे कडेन मिसयूज जाताले. इनफॅक्ट आय से दॅट वी ब्रिंग इट टू 8th standard instead of 11th.
But the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath says government may continue the scheme after its review. The scheme is not scrapped. CM was speaking to Prudent Media in a weekly program Head On.
सायबर एज ना जप करून काढली म्हण खंय तरी एक दिसला की अरे ही कित्याक काढली, इतली बरी स्कीम आशिल्ली.
सायबर एड स्कीम गेल्ली काही वर्सां गोंयांत चलताली. आज पर्यंत म्हाका दिसता 70 ते 80 हजार घरांनी कॉम्प्युटर्स पावल्यात. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली ह्या स्किमीचें इव्हॅल्युएशन केन्ना जालें ना. म्हणजे ही स्कीम इतली वर्सां चल्ली, ह्या स्किमींतल्यान भुरग्यांक कसो फायदो जालो, खरोच भुरग्यांक फायदो जालो काय कितें, कॉम्प्युटर्स दिता ते कॉम्प्युटर सारके आसतात काय कितें, कॉम्प्युटर्साचो उपयोग सारको भुरगे करतात काय कितें, आनी ताजो खरो फायदो भुरग्यांक कशे पद्दतीन जालो, कितले ग्रामीण भागांतल्या भुरग्यांक ताजो फायदो जालो, हें इव्हॅल्युएशन आज पर्यंत जावना. म्हजो प्रयत्न आसतलो की ह्या स्किमीचेंय इव्हॅल्युएशन हांव करपाक लायतलो. एक 2-3 जाणांची टीम अपॉयंट करून ह्या स्किमीचें इव्हॅल्युएशन करतलो. आनी फाल्यां समज सरकाराक दिसलें की अजुनूय काही ग्रामीण भागांतल्या भुरग्यांक, गरीब भागांतल्या भुरग्यांक, काही कमकुवत घटकांच्या भुरग्यांक जर कॉम्प्युटर दिवपाची गरज आसा, सरकार अवश्य अशा भुरग्यां खातीर वेगळी स्कीम करतलो.
So
त्या बद्दल
doors are not completely closed.
हांवें रिप्लेसमेंट कसो दिला, ही स्कीम आमी हें केलें म्हणटा तेन्ना हांवें रिप्लेसमेंट दिता आसतना हांवें स्कूल नेटवर्क घट करपाचेर भर दिल्या.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.